episode of Math in the Kitchen that is only streaming in your classroom only. Today we will not only be making pie, but we are also telling you facts about pi, the number.
But first, if you didn't already know, pi isn't only a delicious food, it is also a symbol used in math to find the circumference and area of a circle. And with that, let's get to the pie.
Now let's wash our hands. Let's start by pouring 2.5 cups of flour into a bowl.
After this, grab some butter from your fridge and cut it in, that's very cold, and cut it into 1/2-inch cubes, like so. Next, you have to add a cup of butter that you cut in the cubes in 1/2 inch like so. When you're done cutting this, put it in.
Next, we have to put in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt.
While our partner is washing her hands, here are a few facts about pi. The symbol of pi has been used for over 250 years. Also, in the Star Trek episode, Wolf in the Foldsbach prevents the evil computer by commanding it to compute to the last digits of the value of pi.
Roger Mina recited 70,000 digits of pi and set the world record.
So, now that I'm back, I'm gonna whisk this mixture to form the best pie crust ever. And it's whisked! So, after you mix the dough, you have to knead it until it becomes this kind of consistency, dough-like. As we're kneading, Elena is gonna tell you some facts.
Here's some facts about pi. There is an entire language made from the numbers of pi. Also, in the Greek alphabet, pi is the 16th letter in the Greek alphabet. In the English alphabet, P is also the 16th letter in the alphabet.
Thank you, Elena, for this awesome. Now that I've rolled the bottom of the dough and preheated our oven to 450 degrees, I'm gonna roll out the top of the dough while Audrey puts the apples and cinnamon on the pie. And Elena tells you some more facts. So the layers go 1 layer of apple and then 1 sprinkle of cinnamon and sugar.
Here are more facts. Did you know that there's a movie called Pi, Faith in the Chaos, which is about a man who goes mad when trying to rationalize pi? There's also no zero in the first 31 digits of pi. 3.14 backwards looks like pi.
I finished putting the cinnamon and apples in the pie, and on top I put little pieces of butter, which you're supposed to do. Here is our final product of our pie. As you can see, it looks really good. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 450 degrees.
Thank you for watching and have a happy Pi Day!
Some 2 last facts about pie.
1 is the most common occurred number in the first 100,000 decimal places of pi.
Did you know that it took 9 hours for the memorized digits of pi world record holder to recite over 44,000 digits of pi?
That's some interesting facts. Okay.